Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing well, studying well and taking a lot of interest in knowing about our planet, in knowing about the history of our planet, also knowing about the history of India in specific and also about the geography of India. So children, as we have already studied, okay, that there are 7 continents and 5 oceans. Now, these continents, okay, have different countries under them. So, we belong to the continent called Asia. Okay, India is a part of the continent Asia. And now we are going to talk about our country and the political divisions of India. So, like the continents are divided into countries, the countries are further divided into states and union territories. So, we are going to talk about the political divisions of India, okay, in more detail, okay, with respect to the states of India, who are the neighboring countries of India, okay. So, the learning objectives of this chapter is to know about our country, to know about the states of India, to know about the neighboring countries and to know about the union territories of India, okay. So, we are going to talk about where India is, that is Asian continent, who are our neighbors, okay, and how many states and union territories do we have, okay. So, let us do a quick warm up. We have to look at the map of this of our country and answer the following questions. You have to tell us which state do you live in, name of your state, okay, say for example New Delhi, and name of your town or village or city, okay. So, then in New Delhi, where do you live is what you have to mention here, okay. Now, India is the 7th largest and most populous country in the world, okay. So, we are the 7th largest country of the world, okay, and we are the most populated country in the world. To govern such a big country, governments at 2 levels have been formed. So, there are 2 levels of government which are formed in order to govern our country. Our country is big, okay, and that is the reason why it is not easy to govern the country. And that's the reason why they've broken it, okay, into 2 parts. So, one is the central government and the other one is the state government, okay. So, in this chapter, we will know about the state of India, okay. So, our country is India. Alright, and a political map of India shows states and union territories with boundaries, capitals and main cities. So, in our country, okay, we have different states and these different states have different capitals also, okay. So, they have one capital city also, and apart from that we also have union territories, okay. We have certain main cities of every state also. It can either be a business capital or it can be the main hub city of that particular place, okay, the metro city of that place. The northern part of India is bordered by the Himalayan mountain range. So, if you look at the north of India, it has Himalayan mountains, okay. The southern part of India is roughly triangular and surrounded by water on all 3 sides. So, up you have the Himalayan mountain range, down you have the triangular area of India which is surrounded by water bodies, okay, 3 on the 3 sides. The Bay of Bengal is on the east, then you have the Arabian Sea which is on the west and you have the Indian Ocean which is towards the south. Now, all these, they are what? They are the natural barriers, okay, that means they are protecting our country from the other countries, okay. So, they become our natural barriers, okay. So, India is then divided into 28 states and 8 union territories, okay. So, let us talk about our neighboring countries first. India shares its border with 8 other countries. So, we have 8 other countries on our sides, okay. Nepal, China, Bhutan, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Maldives and Myanmar. These are India's neighboring countries. The border shared with them is called the international border. So, who are our neighbors? Nepal, China, Bhutan, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Maldives and Myanmar, okay. And the border that is there, okay, that is the country's edge is the border of the country. Okay, so that is known as the international border. So if you reach that border and you go across that border, that means you are entering another country. Okay. Now, how many states are there in India? We have 28 states. The largest state is Rajasthan and the smallest state is Goa. Okay. So, Telangana, it is the newest state which is formed in our country. So, largest state, okay, area wise is Rajasthan and smallest is Goa. So, we are talking about the area. Okay. So, area wise Rajasthan is very large, alright, and Telangana is a new state. So, earlier it was only Andhra Pradesh, then they broke Andhra Pradesh and divided them into two parts. So, one became Andhra Pradesh and the other became Telangana. Okay. So, now India is a democratic country and New Delhi is its capital. So, by democratic we mean that India is a country which is governed by the people, for the people, and it is of the people. Okay. So, that is we do not have anybody who is a dictator here, and it is all run by the government which is chosen by the citizens or people of India only through elections. Okay. Now, capital of India is New Delhi. It is governed by a panel of ministers elected by the people by voting. So, we have elections, we vote and we choose our leaders. Okay. They then become a part of the government offices, okay. They become the ministers and then they govern the country. So, we have the president, we have the prime minister and other ministers in the central government. There are chief ministers and governors at the state level. So, at the central government level, okay, we have the president, the prime minister, okay, and there are other ministers. However, it is not possible for the central government to look after the entire country, and that is the reason why they have allocated ministers in different states. Now, in every state you have a chief minister or a governor, okay, and a governor, and these people, okay, they help in the running of the government and of their particular state, alright, and then they report it directly to the central government, alright. So, now let us talk about the different states and the capital. Andhra Pradesh, capital is Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, capital is Dispur. Bihar, capital is Patna. Chhattisgarh, capital is Raipur. Goa, capital is Panjim or Panji. Gujarat, the capital is Gandhinagar. Haryana, capital is Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla is the capital. Jharkhand, capital is Ranchi. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Kerala, capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, capital is Bhopal. Maharashtra, capital is Mumbai. Mumbai is also known as the business capital of India. Okay. So, although New Delhi is the capital of India, they consider Mumbai as the business capital of India. Okay. So, lot of work related things, the trade related things and all happen more in Mumbai. Okay. Manipur, capital is Imphal. Meghalaya, capital is Shillong. Mizoram, Aizawl. Nagaland, capital is Kohima. Odisha, capital is Bhubaneswar. Punjab, capital is Chandigarh. So, Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab as well as of Haryana. Okay. Rajasthan, capital is Jaipur. Sikkim, capital is Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, capital is Chennai. Earlier, Chennai was known as Madras. Okay. Now, it is known as Chennai. Then you have Telangana, capital is Hyderabad. You have Tripura, capital is Agartala. You have Uttar Pradesh, capital is Lucknow. Uttarakhand, capital is Dehradun. West Bengal, capital is Kolkata. Earlier, Kolkata was known as Calcutta and now it is known as Kolkata. Okay, so these are the 28 states of India and their capitals. Okay, children, it is very important to know all the states and the capitals. Okay, now the states of Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. Now, these are the different states which are on the eastern border or northeastern border of India. Okay. So, they are towards the east of India and they are like they are very close to each other. So, they are known as the seven sisters. Collectively, these states Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh, they are known as seven sisters. Okay. Now that we know about the states, let us talk about the union territories of India. Now, there are 8 union territories in India. The union territories, they are ruled by the union government. Okay. Hence, their names are Delhi, it is a union territory, the capital is New Delhi. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the capital is Port Blair. Lakshadweep, capital is Kavaratti. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, capital is Daman. Puducherry, capital is Pondicherry. Chandigarh, capital is Chandigarh. Jammu and Kashmir, capital is Srinagar. And Ladakh, capital is Leh. Okay. So, these are the different union territories, okay, of India. Alright. Now, fact file, Chandigarh is the capital of 2 states, Punjab and Haryana. Alright. Now, let us talk about the new words we have come across in this chapter. Border means the boundary, okay, and natural barrier means the natural fence, okay, naturally occurring fence or boundary of a particular country, okay, something that barricades the country from enemies' attack. Alright. Now, let us recall India has 28 states, 8 union territories, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Maldives and Myanmar. They are what? They are our neighboring countries. Alright. So, I hope children now you know about the political division of our country and you will remember the different states and the different capitals of India very well. Alright, for that you need to reread the chapter and attempt to solve all the back exercises. Alright children, so quickly reread and then start solving the exercises. Get going.